Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we will start with turning off the developer options. Let's enter the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find the About tablet. Then we have to again scroll down to the very bottom and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. I know it is quite fast, but if you want to learn more about the developer options, we've got the tutorial about them, so I highly recommend to go and check it. After getting back, we can enter the settings. The system, we have to go back to the general settings and enter the system, tap on advanced, and almost at the bottom we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates option. Just tap on the switcher and from now on this option is active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device, however remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the update. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.